Hello teacher and partner, my name is Vanessa Tapia and today I'm going to start with the Tag 7 recording. I'm going to read that paragraph. Emotion or state are feelings that are often intense, last for only a short time, and are clearly directed at or caused by some or somewhere circumstances. Positive emotions include joy, praise, relief, love, and compassion. We must share positives and joy others by always try to be positive and cheerful. Negative emotions include anger, anxiety, fear, guilt, shame, sadness, envy, and disgust. So the second part is minimal part. So cat, bat, white, wise, read, rod, kite, night, take, stick, catch, caught, pin, bean, till, peel, teach, teach. Day, pay, big, pig, deal, peel, dog, buck, date, bait, talk, call, to, who, tape, cape, toad, coat, town, gown, tie, guy, tap, gap, tool, tack, gap, table, gable, team, theme, tail, fail, ton, fun, tick, big. Okay. The number 3 is intonation. A statement with one stress. She works. We laughed. It stopped. A statement with two stressed. Tom is reading. Mike is sleeping. The car stopped. The weather has changed. A statement with three stressed. Children like to play. The dog is reading a book. The weather is going to change. A statement with four stress. She wants to buy a new car. He wrote the letters very quickly. The teacher told her student a story. A statement with 5 stress. Alex wrote the letters very quickly. Victor is going to London next month. Diane is reading the book you brought yesterday. Okay, special occasions following intonation. What is your name? What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? Fully interest, following reason intonation. What's your name? Where do you live? What did you say? Where do you have been? General questions raising intonation. Have you read this book? Have you heard this news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? Request, reason intonation. May I speak to Ella, please? Could I speak to Michael, please? Can I borrow your dictionary, please? Alternative questions rising and falling intonation. Would you come back at 5 or at 6? Does she read books in the morning or at 9? Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? That questions following and reason intonation. You don't. You don't, do you? They haven't found it, have they? You weren't late, were you? I shouldn't do it, should I? Commands following intonation. Tell me the truth. Give me your hand. Do it yourself. Ask him for help. Request rising intonations. Close the window, please. Tell me your name, please. Ask him to call me, please. Exclamatory sentences following intonation. It's good to see you. It is an excellent opportunity. I'm so happy. Direct address raising intonation. Ella, can you help me? Lena, are you there? Tony, where are you? Enumerating raising intonation. I bought bread, cheese, and tomatoes. We need paper, pens, and pencils. And the last response. I can, she is, he will, you should, I can't, he didn't. So that was all. Thank you and bye-bye.